Hello friends, today we will solve one problem from the simulation. The problem I have chosen for the today's class is waiting time of a patient and ideal time of doctor. Right? I'll read the question. The question for the today's class is the patient arriving at a village dispensary are treated by a doctor on a first come first serve basis. The interval time of the patient is known to be uniformly distributed between 0 and 80 minutes, while their service time is known to be uniformly distributed between 15 and 40 minutes. It is desired so it is desired to stimulate the system and determine the average time of a patient has to be in the queue for getting the service, and the proportion of time to the proportion of time the doctor would be ideal. Carry out the simulation using the following sequences of random numbers. The numbers have been selected between 00, that is 00, and 80 to estimate the inter-arrival time, and between 15 to 40 to estimate the service required between the patient between sorry estimated time sorry estimate the service time required by the patients. See here the series is given, that is a random numbers given. I will I'll display the question here. So what is the question here is, there is a doctor who is there is a dispensary who is the doctor is available in the dispensary. Customers are arriving for the service of the doctor. So how much time the customer, that is a patient, is waiting for the services of the doctor, and how much time the doctor is waiting in the dispensary for the customers, that is the ideal time of the doctor, and queue time of the, that is the waiting time of the patients. We need to find out. Here the information given, random numbers are given for the random numbers are given for the patients, and random numbers are given for the service also, like when the customer is a patient is arriving to the dispensary, and how much time they are taking for the means the doctor is taking to serve the customer, that is a patient. Right, we will see this question here. The question here is like a patient here the time is not given, when the service is started is not given. See, we will assume the service is starting at 8 a.m. You can assume 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., whatever you think that is comfortable to you. But it is not given anything in the question, so I am choosing 8 a.m. as a starting time. Right? See. See, the first customer, we have 10 random numbers, so I am choosing 10 as a 10 customers. See, first random number is given, this is given in the question itself, 07 and 21. Don't ask me, madam, from where you got these numbers. These questions are given, these random numbers are given in the question only. One is the interval time, that is the inter-arrival time, arrival time of a patient, 07, 21 and 12, 80, 08, 03, 32, 65, 43, 74. See, these are the random numbers given for the patient, and the random numbers given for the random numbers given for the doctor also. I will write as and when time comes. See, we assumed that the dispensary, the hospital has started giving services at 8 a.m. in the morning. Right? 8 a.m. in the morning. The first patient has arrived for the service of doctor is 7 minutes. In the sense, doctor was waiting. See, doctor was available from morning 8 a.m. onwards, but the patient has arrived, or patient has reached the dispensary at 8:07. In the sense, doctor was waiting here. Ideal time of doctor, this is the doctor ideal time. Doctor was waiting for 7 minutes for the patient to come. Means doctor was available in the dispensary to give the services from 8 a.m. onwards, but patient has arrived at 8:07. In the sense, doctor was waiting for 7 minutes in the dispensary, that is in the hospital, right? So the patient has arrived at 8:07. So entry time of the patient is 8:07. From 8 onwards, the doctor was available. Patient has reached the dispensary at 7 minutes late. Means 8:07 the service was started, right? So the service was started at 8:07. But how much time they have consumed for the service? Means the doctor has taken how much time for serving or for giving the service to the patient. It is also given in the question. This information is given in the question. How many minutes he has taken. I am writing from the question directly. How many minutes he has taken. These are the random numbers given in the question itself. How much time the doctor has taken to serve or to treat one particular customer. Right? 23 minutes for the first customer. That is the first patient. 37. I am copy pasting from the question itself. Don't get confused from where I am getting these numbers. 28. 30. 18. 25. 34. 19. 21. Please everyone pay attention. Here only you will go wrong. See, the doctor was available from 8 a.m. but the patient has reached 7 minutes late to the dispensary. Means the service was started at 8:07 in the dispensary and the service time for the particular first patient is 23 minutes. Means 8:07 the patient has arrived. 23 minutes are required to give the services or to provide the services to the patient. In the sense till 8:30. Okay, service started when? See, patient has arrived at 8:07. So service also started at 8:07. How much time he has consumed for the service? Means the doctor has taken 23 minutes of time to treat this patient. Means 8:07 the service started. 23 minutes he has consumed for giving the service. In the sense 8:30. The service end time is 8:30. Is the point clear? 7 minutes the doctor was waiting and patient was waiting nothing. Means he has arrived at 8:07 and the service also started at 8:07. So waiting time of the patient is 0 or nil, we can say. Right? Coming to the next one. See, second patient has arrived at 21 minutes. 21 minutes in the sense what? 21 minutes after the first patient reached the dispensary, second patient has reached the hospital or dispensary 21 minutes late. Means 7 plus 21 is nothing but how much? 7 plus 21 is 28. Means second patient arrived to the dispensary is at 8:28. He reached at 8:28 but the service started when? Doctor was with the first customer till 8:30. The second customer has approached or reached the hospital at 8:28. In the sense 8:28 he reached the dispensary but doctor was with the customer of the previous customer. Means the doctor was with the previous patient was 8:30. In the sense this patient was waiting for 2 minutes. So patient waiting time is 2 minutes. So when the service started here? 8:30. After finishing the service of the first customer or first patient, second patient service got started at 8:30. So 8:30 the service got started. How much time the doctor has took? Doctor has taken 37 minutes to treat this particular second customer or second patient. Means 8:30 has the service got started at 8:30 but the service time was 37 minutes. Means doctor was with the patient till 9:07. Till 9:07. What is the ideal time of the doctor? No ideal time. See, doctor was first there with the first customer till 8:30 and second customer or the second patient service got started at 8:30. In the sense, no ideal time. No ideal time of the doctor. But coming to the patient waiting time, patient has arrived at 8:28 but the service started at 8:30. Means patient was waiting for 2 minutes. Next one. Next, third customer, that is the third patient. Third patient has arrived 12 minutes late. Means second customer was there. Means second customer was in the dispensary at 8:28. After 12 minutes, third customer has reached. After 12 minutes, third customer has reached. In the sense 8:40 was the time of arrival of third patient. 8:40 the third patient has arrived, but service was given by doctor to second patient, means doctor was giving the treatment to second patient till 9:07. In the sense this third customer or the third patient was waiting from 8:40 till 9:07, because till 9:07 doctor was with the second patient. So here 7 minutes, here 20 minutes, means 27 minutes the patient has waited for the doctor. For the doctor, the patient was waiting for the 27 minutes. But doctor was not waiting anymore. Why I am saying anymore? 9:07 he completed the service of the second patient. Immediately he started the service for the third patient. Is the point clear? See, as soon as he completed the services of second patient, he has come to third patient. Means third patient service got started at 9:07 only. How much time he consumed for the third patient? 16 minutes. 16 minutes is nothing but how much? 16 minutes in the sense 9:23. Till 9:23, the doctor was with the third patient. So doctor was not waiting any time, but patient was waiting till 27 minutes. Right? Third one is also done. Fourth one, 8:40 was the arrival time of third patient, but after 80 minutes, from this, after 80 minutes, fourth patient has reached. It means 20, you take this side, so 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock is the time of arrival of fourth patient. 10 o'clock is the time of arrival of the fourth patient. Fourth patient. But doctor has finished the third patient services till 9:23 only. Means doctor was sitting idle in the dispensary, that is 37 minutes. So 10 o'clock minus 9 or 9 o'clock 23 minutes is nothing but 37 minutes doctor was waiting. 37 minutes doctor was waiting for the customer or for the patient. Right? 37 minutes. So doctor time was 37 minutes waiting time. As soon as patient reached the hospital, the doctor started the service. 10 o'clock. He started the service at 10 o'clock and he took 28 minutes of time for the serving or for giving the treatment to the fourth patient. Means 10:28 the doctor was with the patient only. Right? Patient was not waiting anymore. Why I am saying patient was not waiting? See, patient has reached at 10 o'clock. The service also got started at 10 o'clock. So, patient was waiting nil. Patient waiting time is nil. Right? Next customer, after 8 minutes, the fifth customer has reached the dispensary. That is 8 minutes. 10 o'clock, 8 minutes. The fifth customer has reached the dispensary. Right? But doctor was with the fourth customer till 10:28. Means this 20 minutes deviation, the difference between these two is the waiting time of the patient. Why I am saying? The patient has reached the dispensary or hospital at 8 minutes, but the doctor was with the previous customer or previous patient 10 o'clock 28 minutes. It means 20 minutes was the waiting time of the patient. Yeah, 20 minutes is the waiting time of the patient. So patient waited till 20 minutes. So when the service got started for this patient, 10:28. 10:28 is the service start time for the patient number 5. Then after, the doctor took 30 minutes of time to finish the service. Means 10:58 is the service end time. Right? So doctor was waiting nil. Doctor waiting time is nil. But patient waiting time here is 20 minutes. Is the point clear? Right. Next one. Next, sixth patient has reached after 3 minutes. 10:08 was the last patient arrival time. After 3 minutes, sixth patient has reached. in the sense 10 o'clock 11 minutes the sixth patient has reached the dispensary. But when his service got started, this doctor was with the 10 customer at the previous patient till 10:58. Okay. Till 10:58 doctor was with the 10 previous patient, in the sense 58 minus 11 47 47 minutes. See, 10 till 10:58 the doctor was with the previous patient, but this customer or this patient has arrived to the dispensary at 10:11. It means 47 minutes the patient was waiting in the queue, right? His service time started at when? 10:58. 10:58 was his service time started, and 18 minutes you took. The doctor took 18 minutes of time to for the 18 minutes of time for service. So 18 in the sense 11:16. I'm not using the calci, but 11:16 is the end time. So how much time the patient waited? The difference between this, when he has arrived to the dispensary and when the service got started, that is the difference between these two will be the ideal time of or the waiting time of patient in the queue. But doctor, is the doctor waiting? No, doctor was not waiting. He was serving the previous patient till 10:58 and he started immediately the service for the next patient. Means ideal time of the patient is nil. Right. Next one. Next patient after 32 minutes, in the sense 10:43. 10:43 is the arrival time of the seventh patient, but doctor was with the sixth patient, that is for the previous patient 11:16. Means the doctor was with the previous patient till 11:16. So after 11:16 only his service got started. He reached the dispensary at 10:43, but service got started at how much time? 11:16. Means here 16 minutes, here 17 minutes. 11:16, right? 16 plus 17. That is a 33 minutes. It means here, see, patient arrived at 10:43, but service started at 11:16. Means 16 plus 17, 33 minutes was the waiting time of patient in the queue. 33 minutes the patient was waiting in the queue. But doctor, is the doctor waiting? No, doctor was not waiting. He ended the service here 11:16 and he started the service immediately 11:16. It means doctor waiting time is nil. Patient waiting time is this one. When he has arrived to the dispensary and when the service got started, the difference between these two is the waiting time of patient. Right? How much time he took for the service? Who? Doctor. Doctor took how much time? 25 minutes. The service started at 11:16. Time of service is 25 minutes. That is a 11:41. Means till 11:41, doctor was serving to the seventh customer or seventh patient. Right? Done. Next one. Eighth one. Eighth patient has reached after 65 minutes. In the sense 11:48 is the arrival time of the eighth patient to the dispensary. Right? 11:48 was the arrival time of the patient. But doctor has finished his previous customer service is 11:41 only. It means doctor was waiting here. Doctor was waiting for 7 minutes. Doctor was waiting for the 7 minutes to waiting for the customer or the patient to come. Means 11:48 the patient has reached the hospital or the dispensary. Means service got started at 11:48 only. As and when the patient has arrived, as soon as he arrives into the dispensary, the service got started. How much time the doctor took? 34 minutes. 48 plus 34, 82 in the sense 12:22. 12:22 till 12:22 the doctor was serving the patient. Means patient, the difference between these is the patient waiting time. Patient arrived at 11:48 and service started at 11:48. Means patient was not waiting, but service ended, doctor service ended for the previous customer or previous patient was 11:41. Other customer, the next customer or the next patient has reached to the dispensary is 11:48. The difference between these two is the doctor's idle time, that is a 7 minutes. Coming to the next one. 9 till 12:22 the doctor was with the patient. The next patient when he has arrived 48 in the sense here 12 minutes 43 minus 12 31 in the sense 12:31 means after 11:48 of means for 11:48 plus 43 is 12:31. At 12:31 the ninth patient has arrived to the dispensary, but doctor was with the previous customer till 12:22. Means the patient was waiting. No, not patient. Doctor was waiting. See, he has reached hospital when 12:31. Immediately the service got started 12:31. The doctor was giving the services to the previous customer 12 till 12:22. Means here 8 minutes plus 1 minute. 9 minutes doctor was waiting. Doctor was waiting for 9 minutes to means for the arrival of the patient. Right? Doctor took 19 minutes. Means 40-50. Till 12:50 doctor has served the patient. Patient idle time is nil. He arrived at 12:31 and service started at 12:31. Last one 12:31 plus after 74 minutes means 1 hour 14 minutes. 1 hour 14 minutes in the sense 1 hour 14 minutes means this one 14 in the sense 145. Okay. 145 the new patient has arrived. His service got started when 145 only. 145 only. But previous doctor was giving the service till 12:50 only. Means here 10 minutes, here 45 minutes. 55 minutes doctor was waiting in the hospital. Idle time is 50. How much? 55 minutes. 55 minutes is the idle time of doctor. The patient has arrived at 1:45 and service also given at 1:45. Started at 1:45. No idle time of the patient. How much time it took? Doctor for the last patient 21 minutes. Means that is 2 o'clock 6 minutes. Right? This is the waiting time of patient and idle time of the doctor. You add all the patient idle time and you add all the doctor waiting idle time and patient waiting time, so that you will get cumulative one from divided by 10 means average idle time of the doctor and average waiting time of the patient you will get. Right? That's all for the day, guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.